Hey cruisers, today we're looking at balcony cabin 12238 on Norwegian Bliss. First up on the left here is the bathroom, and we'll take a closer look at that later. Next, we have a full-length mirror, awesome for checking out your outfit when you get ready for dinner. As you can see, the couch in this cabin can be made into a bed. Over here is a vanity or desk area. Just below the mirror is a handy ledge that can be used for knickknacks, glassware, things like that. Below the desktop, there's a pull-out cube, and this can be used as a little seat or even a makeshift coffee table. This is also where the hairdryer is located. Next to that is the mini fridge. And here's what the fridge looks like open. There are some handy outlets in this area too. Just beyond the desk is the TV. There's space here for smaller items like this menu and the remote control. Below that, there is some convenient storage. Speaking of storage, there are some narrow nightstands on either side of the bed. This is a great place to put your phone or e-reader or your reading glasses. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Sherry with CruiseTipsTV.com. Our website, podcast, Cruise Tips TV Unplugged, and informational videos will inspire you to make every cruise your dream cruise. We'd love to invite you to subscribe. And if you're already a part of our community here, your thumbs ups on every video make a big difference, so thank you in advance. Above the nightstand, there's a reading light with a built-in USB port. Pro tip though, you'll need to bring a longer cable if you want to charge a device while it's on the nightstand. The closet in this stateroom is a little bit hard to get to when the couch is made into a bed, but we got used to it. On the left, you've got some shelving and the push-button safe. On the right is space for hanging clothes. Speaking of hanging things, there are these subtle hooks in the hall that work for hanging things like lanyards, small purses, things like that. There are some hooks on the bathroom door as well. These are great for towels and robes and even a toiletry bag with a hook on it. Now let's take a look at the rest of the bathroom. The shower is pretty standard and not a bad size compared to some ships. There are some small shelves on the mirror and more storage down below the sink. And we'll close out this video with a look at the beautiful balcony. That's it for this one, friends. Be sure to check out our free packing guides for the Caribbean and Alaska, our full Norwegian Bliss ship tour, and our Norwegian Cruise Line Ultimate Guide. Now, those are going to be down in the description of this video and also pinned to the top of the comments section. If you found this video helpful, consider following and sharing it with your friends. And until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.